Thanks for stopping by, everyone. My name is Jeff, and in today's video, we are going to talk about Tilray, Canopy Growth, and KSHB, okay? So guys, right here you can see Tilray is traded up 15% today. Canopy is up 1.7% and KSHB is up over 3%. So let's go through and talk about why all these stocks are running up. There's also something else I observed, so make sure you hang around to the end of the video because I've noticed something else kind of going on besides this. Now guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any content or future updates, and drop a like on this video, guys. I would really appreciate it. So top cannabis analyst on Wall Street raises sales forecast, and they named their top picks for 2019. So Wall Street's top cannabis analyst issues her 2019 outlook for the industry, updating clients on her US outlook and the key players in 2019. So guys, this is Vivian Acer. I have talked about her several times here on this channel, but I just want to kind of get everybody on the same page. She is the first senior Wall Street analyst to cover the emerging cannabis sector, and that's resulted in notable press coverage across periodicals such as The Economist, Barron's, Forbes. Of course, I've seen her a lot on CNBC. So she has a lot of influence, on the marijuana industry. Now, a couple things I can tell you about her too from what I have observed over the past couple of months. She's very bullish on Tilray, and she's very bullish on Canopy Growth. She never goes into a lot of details, especially those of us that trade these stocks and try to play in and out of these stocks a lot, and especially the investors. She never really goes into details probably I would want to hear, but historically she's very bullish on Canopy and she's very bullish on Tilray. Okay, she said that we expect continued growth in newly established US states and more robust growth in Canada as more supply comes online. She also went on to say that the Canadian adult use market got off to a rocky start thanks to a rushed retail framework, but says planned expansion should ease concerns. And right now the US market opportunity, okay, this is the opportunity, not what it's valued at right now, but it's valued at around $40 to $50 billion and expected to grow to around $80 billion by the year 2030. And that would be assuming national availability, and of course keep in mind the amount of regulation all this is going to have to go through. And guys, if you want to read this article yourself, I'll have it linked up down in the comment section. But basically, she just believes US sales of marijuana are on the rise, more than she previously projected, to 80 billion, like I said, by 2030, and to expect major Canadian growers Canopy Growth and Tilray to outperform in 2019. And it just goes on to say that given our outlook for continued growth in North America cannabis in 2019, we remain constructive on all three of our publicly traded cannabis stocks. And like I said, that's Canopy, Tilray, and KSHB. And of course, for those of you who don't know, KSHB is an American company that sells packaging for the cannabis industry. So every time she comes out and makes a bullish call, all the marijuana companies take off running. Well, the three that she recommended did. Like I said, Tilray's up 13%. It was up 15% a few minutes ago. And Canopy and KSHB are all taking gains. Now let's go take a look at a few others. So I found it interesting too, guys. While Canopy, Tilray, and KSHB are running up, Aphria and Aurora are both taking a loss today. While the Dow Jones is up 250 points and all the major indexes are running up, it seems like Aphria and Aurora are kind of taking some residual effects from this. Like, for example, she doesn't have coverage on Aurora or Aphria, or perhaps she just did not cover Aurora or Aphria today in her analysis. So Canopy, Tilray, and KSHB are all getting a boost, and Aurora is actually taking about a 4% hit. So I guess I just want to illustrate a point, guys, is how powerful, words really are. Somebody can just come out and say some stuff, and stocks start going down while other stocks start going up. Like I said, no fundamental change, no real big news, nothing big to a company's infrastructure, no big addition, nothing like that. Just an analyst can mention a few stocks and send them up, and meanwhile a couple of the other big players are heading down. So anyways, I just thought that was interesting. I wanted to share that with everyone. Drop a comment, tell me what your opinion is on this. Make sure to leave a like, I really appreciate that. And thanks for watching the video.